In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix no sound on SteamVR. If your VR headset is working, but you can't hear anything, don't worry. In many cases, this is caused by the audio output being set to the wrong device, either inside SteamVR or in Windows. We're going to go through a simple process to check that and get your sound working again. First, open SteamVR. Once it's open, look for the menu icon, then click on Settings. This is the first place to check because SteamVR can sometimes route audio to a different device than the one you expect, especially if you've recently used speakers, headphones, or another monitor with audio output. After that, click Media Player. This will bring up a pop-up window where you can inspect the current playback setup more closely. Even though this may seem like a small detail, it can help you confirm whether audio is actually being sent somewhere else instead of your headset. Now, in that pop-up window, look at the lower right area and check your audio settings there. Make sure the correct output is selected. If the wrong device is active, such as your desktop speakers or another connected audio source, that's likely the reason you're not hearing anything in SteamVR. Switching it to the proper headset or VR audio device should solve the problem right away. If the audio still isn't correct, the next thing to do is set the correct Windows audio device. Sometimes SteamVR itself is fine, but Windows is still sending audio to another output in the background. Open your Windows sound settings and verify that your VR headset or the device you want to is selected as the active output device. This is especially important if you use multiple audio devices regularly because Windows may automatically switch between them. Finally, restart SteamVR completely. Close SteamVR all the way so it is no longer running. Then disconnect your headset and reconnect it. After that, launch SteamVR again. This step helps refresh the connection between SteamVR, Windows, and your audio device, and it often clears up any temporary detection issues. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to restore sound in SteamVR without needing any advanced troubleshooting. The main thing to remember is that both SteamVR and Windows need to be pointing to the correct audio output. Once those are aligned, your sound should come back normally. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back into VR with working audio.